Hi, so in last video we saw about how to plot the multiple locations in Apple Map. So based on that, we marked already. So we searched the location and we marked the location. So now this time we are going to first how to make a route for that particular destination we'll see. So let's start doing that, get into that. Okay, so before doing that, so you can see we have a search over here, but we don't have any list. Okay, so first we'll make the search click with this list, and based on the list we will plot the mark. Okay, so first we will do the search list and do things. Okay, I'll just create one shift file. Okay, shift UI file. Okay, next this is search view. Okay, so in the search view we have search view is about a sheet. Okay, so we are going to use this search view as a sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to create few things over here. So that let be, if it is a sheet, we need to add a dismiss environment double. Okay, slash dot dismiss where dismiss. Okay, so then only we can dismiss from inside that. Okay, then I'm going to add observable object as a location manager. Location manager. Okay, state private var search text. Okay, so search text is same like in the map view we have a search text, same search text, there is nothing more. So I don't want this preview, I'll just comment the preview. Okay, so once it is done, we are going to use in the map view, we are going to copy this hashtag, same hashtag, we are vtag, inside the vtag I'm going to paste this one. Okay, so the search location only here I'm going to use it, search location on commit also. Location manager, I am using this location manager. Okay, so both are same spelling, but there's small spelling mistake. Okay, so there is location, search location, what is this? Okay, I have to put this one inside. Okay, here. Okay, now it is done actually. Yeah, so we have the search one. So now we are going to create a list. Okay, so hashtag, after that I'm going to add list. So in the list only I'm going to show it. Okay, so first of all, we need to create a list in the location manager. So before creating a list, I'm just going to okay, we'll start creating a location manager. Why we need to this one. Okay, so in location manager I'm going to create one struct. Okay, with this, inside the struct I'm going to have all the items, which means all the details of the location. Okay, so in the location manager I'm just creating one struct location detail. This is identifiable. Okay, identifiable. So where id uid. Okay, uid, then where coordinates also I'm going to add one. Okay, coordinates CLL location 2D is a coordinate, where route I am going to add, because we are going to direct, right? So we are going to plot the route for start and destination. So that's it. So we have a MK route, that one. Okay, that address string. Okay, where distance, so we can calculate the distance also, distance and duration to go there. Okay, so that one also we are going to calculate. String where duration. Okay, duration also string. Okay, so these things we are going to calculate. So I'm going to init. Okay, done. Okay, fine. So this is how these all the items I'm having in a location details. Okay, so first now we are going to fill this new location detail. Okay, so where we are going to use the fill this location detail means in the search item. Okay, where is that? So this is the search location. The search location is, we use the same thing we used before. Okay, so in the same place, same item we are going to, we used before. So but instead of this now, same thing, I don't need this first element only, I'm going to get all the elements. Okay, so then I don't need this one also. Okay, so I'm just commanding this one. So first of all, I'll just take a response and I'll loop it. Okay, so first before that, I'll create one publisher. This publisher is location list. Okay, location list is equal to location detail. Okay, so location list and location detail, this one only we are going to create. So first, location self dot location list dot remove all. Okay, then response dot for each. Okay, not map items dot for each. Okay, so okay, map item in. Okay, so map item in for each. So once the for each, I'm creating just actually we are not creating anything. Okay, sorry, we already created, so this get address only. Okay, so this get address I'm going to use get address. So in the coordination I'm going to send the location. So this location should be yeah, this location should be here. Location is equal to I dot map item dot place marker dot coordinate. Okay, so this not coordinate, it's a location. So this location is a location. So in once it is not null, we are going to do this, then not location. Okay, so this location we are passing here. We have any other place, not a shadow. Okay, so once we got the address in. Okay, once we got the address, with the address we are going to not with the address, actually what happened, map item. Okay, I forgot the let. Okay, now it is good. Okay, so once we got the map item, I'm going to address, we need address too, but we are going to calculate route also. Okay, so for the route, I'm going to, we don't have functions right for the routes. Okay, so for the route also we are having a calculate route function. Okay, so private function route. Okay, so in the route also we have a function destination, DISTNATION. Sorry, destination spelling is wrong, right? DSTNATION, destination, there's a location 3D. Okay, so then this one also have callback at escaping mk route. Okay, mk route is the parameter for this, and that one, no, there is no return type. Okay, so this one we are having so how to calculate route means we have a mk route directions. Mk means it's a map kit. Okay, in the map kit we have a direction class, so for using that only we are going to use it. First we will place, as usual, we need to have a guard, let user location is equal to self dot user at location. Okay, else return. Okay, so we are going to return it, otherwise let instead of return we can, okay, that one we can use it, user place mark is equal to mk place mark. There is a mk place mark. Okay, mk place mark, that is coordinates. Okay, so in the coordinate user location. Okay, same thing, I'm double it, and this is search. Okay, so here the destination on. Okay, so both we created. Now we are going to create another one, direction request. Okay, so mk will have will have a direction. Okay, mapkit direction request, est request is equal to mk direction, so that you can see the request, right? So not here, but the same thing we are going to use that one next. So request, I am taking the request. So in that request, direction request dot source is equal to mk map item, the place mark is there. So in the place mark we are going to use the user place. This is a source means where we are going to start. Okay, and double it, duplicate, and destination. So this is search place mark. Okay, that is our destination place mark. Okay, then request dot transport type. Okay, so transport type, you can see transit, walking, transit, automation. So based on that you can customize it, but I am giving automobile. Okay, automobile means our car, bike, or something. Okay, so then we are going to create direction mk direction. So you can see the request here, right? So in the request we are going to pass the direction request. So once the direction request is done, passed, we are going to direction dot calculate. Where is it? Calculate. Okay, so calculate. Okay, so once it is calculate, we have lambda function. The calculate is a week's reference, week self. Okay, so response comma error in. Okay, so same guard. Okay, error in instead of in I put error in. Okay, so in the in, okay, we are going to guard let self is equal to self. Okay, let response is equal to response, because we need to take everything. If it is null means we need to return immediately. Root is equal to, where is it, response dot, where I can find it, root. Okay, well, I think response dot root dot first. Okay, response dot root dot first. So there will be a multiple routes, right? If you want to show multiple routes means you can take this one also as an array. So I am taking only first one. Okay, so if there is no first means it will return. Okay, then I am going to call back which one, root. Okay, which one, root only I'm going to call back. Okay, so this is how we are calculating the root. So this calculation we are going to use it over here. Okay, so this calculation I'm going to use it here, like we took address, then let's take a coordinate is a location we already took, right? Okay, then self dot calculate route, the destination should be this location. What is this? Location is an error. Okay, route in. What happened to the destination? If the destination, what is it, CLL location, but the argument type CLL coordination 2D. Okay, found is coordination 2D. Okay, so actually this is a location, but we need to take a let coordinate is equal to map item dot place mark dot coordinate. Okay, so coordinate, this coordinate will give here. Now it will be correct. Route. Okay, so in the inside route we took the route, so now we got the route in here. Okay, so from this route we are going to calculate distance, duration, then we are going to add it in a location details, and we are going to pass it to the map. Okay, so in map also there is some difficulties. Let me show you that difficulties, okay, later. Okay, so now I am going to show how it is. Let distance is equal to string. So in the string we are going to format. Okay, in the string format I am going to format the string like 2 kilometer. Okay, so I'm going to add it. Then here root dot distance, okay, distance divided by 1000. Okay, so now we will get it in a kilometer. Okay, the same thing, I'm just duplicated. Duration, this is 0.0 minutes. So this is travel time. Okay, you can see the travel time divided by 60, then we can get the minutes. Okay, so both things we got it. Then location details is equal to location details. Okay, this one. Okay, so we don't need an ID actually. UID. Okay, so I'll just add that one. So here, where is it? Where? Okay, here. So here also we don't need this ID. Okay, so I'm just taking it. So in the coordinator place, we have a coordinator. Then route place, we have a route, and address place, we have a address. Distance place, distance. Duration place, duration. Okay, so this is how we are having. And location list is our global that one, global state. Okay, state. Then we are going to append this location detail in that. Actually, you can see it over here. Location list is our global thing. Then we are going to append it. Okay, this one, self. Okay, now it is done. Okay, so now I am going to use this one in this search list. Okay, if you can see, where is it? Search view. Okay, in the search view I am going to use location. Where is it? Location manager dot location list. Here item in. Okay, so in this item, we are inside this, I'm going to show with the details like vstack. Okay, inside vstack text. Okay, I'm showing item dot address. I'm showing the item address, font, title 3. Okay, text. So now I'm going to show like duration and text. Okay, item dot, not address, duration, no, distance. Okay, item dot distance. After this, I'm open bracket, close bracket, then item dot duration. Okay, so both things I'm showing. Once it is done, I'm tapping on tab gesture. So in the tab gesture, we are pausing again. We are going to pause this one in a location manager, and we are going to close this. Okay, dismiss. Okay, dismiss, and we are going to pass this to the map, and we are going to route it. Okay, so let's see this list is coming or not right now. So first we need to, what is it? We need to add this one as a sheet in here. Okay, this is the route view, right? Okay, dot sheet. Okay, so it's not a item, not a content. Okay, so is this one and this one. Okay, so first I will create, where is it, at state private where is view bool is equal to false. Okay, but I'm going to give this one here with the two-way binding in the content search view in here location manager. Okay, so we got everything up to date. So now we need to toggle this one. Okay, so for toggling this one in the button action, I am pausing this and I am dot toggle. Okay, toggle, and if I gave this also, I need to toggle. Okay, let's see. For this one, now I am just having the for search button. Okay, I'm just pausing it. I am running. Okay, yeah, you can see it now. So in the map phase, we are having this one. I am clicking search, so the bottom sheet is running. So I'm adding and I'm searching. So you can see the address is populating. So for right now it is only one address is populating. Let's see how it, yeah, okay. So this is how when I am clicking this one, the bottom sheet is dismissing, right? So this is how it will work. The sheet, we list the address with you can see we have a distance also 1.89 kilometer and 6 minutes. Okay, so this is how the location and duration is working. So in the next video we will make the route, because we already out of time. Okay, so this is the distance we calculated right now. So in the next video we will plot the direction, because we can't do it in this map application, this current map which we are using over here, right? In this one we can't overlay the route, so we have to create the map, mk map view. Okay, map kit map view, there is a one is there, so we have to create custom views for plotting the map. So that one we will do it in next video. Okay, so yeah, okay, cool, thank you.